Morning, all. I just wanted to kind of touch base a little bit about your multi-genre project. I've been getting some questions about how you're submitting them. All of them should be submitted on a multi-genre project page of your portfolio. So I asked you guys to create that multi-genre page and then send me that link. I know some of you did create the page because you sent me the screenshot, but I'm thinking that you didn't hit publish afterwards because I can't access it. It doesn't show me on my side. So make sure you're hitting publish a lot. Make sure that you refresh it because Google can glitch a couple of times. I get a lot of questions about, can you change the text? Like if you said you were going to turn in an argumentative essay, but now you want to write a magazine article instead. As long as it's in that same column, you can flip-flop it and do any 5 that you want to do. You just need to make sure that you change it on your project proposal. So on your multi-genre page, of your portfolio, it needs to have your proposal project or your project proposal. It needs to have your personal schedule, and then it needs to have all the components of the multi-genre project. So if you have created a poem, but you did that poem on Google Slides, just put that link over on your multi-genre project. Make sure you use the shareable link, which is the green button in the corner, and then post it on that page as well. Or like say for instance you took a video of yourself and then you uploaded it to YouTube. Just give me the link to that video on YouTube. So there's multiple ways. I have somebody who said they were going to paint a picture. So you take a picture of that painting and then put that picture up on your page. Just make sure everything that you're putting up there is labeled so there's no confusion. So if it is for your informative, make sure that you're like saying this is informative, this is my argumentative essay, or this is my informative magazine article. And then that way there's no confusion at all. If you have questions, please ask. The vaccine that I gave a couple of weeks ago or last week, so many people have done that every time somebody turns in something late, it sends me an email. So I legit have about 450 emails. If I have missed your email, I am sorry. I am getting through them as fast as I can. But if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you all are doing well. I hope to see you guys next week when you are picking up your cap and gowns. That is going to be, I think, on May 7th. So you have certain, depending on the type of your alphabet, what part of the alphabet you're in, that's what time period you have to go and pick your stuff up. So I hope to see some of you soon. Stay safe, keep washing your hands, and hopefully we can get back to some sort of normalcy.